Hey guys, it's Scarlett. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the chocolate makeup tutorial look 2. First I'm taking this Melba Shine eyeshadow in the corners and the brow bone. We're going to be taking this brown eyeshadow to the crease as the traditional colors. Taking a crimson eyeshadow in the crease area where the traditional colors is. Taking a milk chocolate eyeshadow all over the eyelids and the lower lash lines with the midnight black eyeshadow. We're going to be taking this brown kohl liner, top lash lines, now we're going to be taking this pure white kohl liner in our corners. We're going to be taking this black kohl liner on the waterline. We're going to be taking this pure white liquid eyeliner to brighten them up, midnight black liquid eyeliner to the lash lines to give them self-weight. We're going to apply this pure white volumizing mascara, black volumizing on the top and bottom lashes. Taking a midnight black to the top, bottom lashes on lengthened mascara. Time for contouring. We're going to take this bronze blush, also put on the nose to create a look. Milk chocolate blush, also the nose. Red blush, the cheeks. Now we're going to apply this pink blush, Fuchsia Core blush. Now we're just going to take this Geisha lipstick, bronze lip gloss to make them chocolate look. Applying this lavender once again to bronze. Apply those jewels, apply those eyeliners, apply those falsies, the hairstyles, and that's the makeup. That's the chocolate look. That's it for makeup.